All right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to clean some of these a little bit better. You can see it's pretty bright, but I know it can look a little better, so I'm going to do a special treatment on that one. Same thing here, it's nice and clean, quite bright, but I think I can brighten it up a lot better than this. So I'm giving you the before pictures, or the before video. This one looks pretty darn good actually, but we're gonna give it a go with that as well. This one here is gonna look amazing after I clean it. You can see a little bit of dirt in that sucker still, but that'll all come off. This is crystalline and crystallized in one piece. I love the crystal structure on this one. Super cool. This one's going to look amazing. Kind of looks like a Starship Millennium or something. This is another really cool crystal. This one will brighten up a lot. Notice that little triangular face in the middle. It's not very reflective, but we're going to fix that. And then this one's got that big flat face on it. Same thing, it's kind of reflective, but not really. I'm gonna just clean that up just a little bit. When gold is underground, it does get really microscopic surface dirt ground into it. And what I do is I remove that. This one's kind of cool. This is a super small piece of leaf gold, and I just want to see how this one looks after I clean it as well. I think it'll be really bright. This one's really cool. The shape is great. Really good sharp trigon pyramids on it. You can see the light reflecting off the faces a little bit, but not as good as it will be. This is a big chunky crystal. Look at that hop ring on that one. Super deep hop ring. And then this last one, it's a small little guy, but I love this thing. This is also a hoppered crystal, same thing. It's bright, but not as bright as I'd like to see it. So let's go have a look at how we do this.